to the channel. So behind me we have our new build. It's a 2014 Cadillac ATS. This car only has like 42,000 miles, I believe. It has the front end impact. It's very clean. We'll do a little walk around. We'll start it so y'all can hear it run and everything. So let's go. Go ahead and do a tear down on the car, see what kind of damage we have, see what parts we need, and so we can start ordering everything that we need. So let's get to it. Wrap for the video. We did go ahead and disassemble the whole front end. We saw what exactly we need, which parts we need to order. We have a huge mess on the ground, but the rails, everything's good. All it needs is just their bolt-on rails like this right here, and all it's just 4 bolts and then one on the bottom, on this side on the bottom, and then the reinforcement bolts onto it. So it's very simple and easy. No frame damage or anything like that, so it's just easy fix. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this cleaned up and order all the parts we need for the next video, so stay tuned. If y'all enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, check us out on Instagram for sneak peeks, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.